Yeah, friend, please watch, be carefully. I made this mechanism. Just I am showing this how does work it. It's as wire. Okay, you can think as wire this. Now if you turn the wire, just turn the wire, just turn the wire, okay, turn the wire here and it will stay in the down. You can see now it's unlock. See, there is unlock position. So you can adjust your seat in the any position. Suppose you set this position, in this position, after that you will lock this, just push the down. Yes, actually you don't need the push because you will use a spring in this to this. Okay, there is a linear, you will use a linear spring in this, then it will be locked. Now you can see this. Now I hide this. Now see, it will be locked. Actually it will locked similar this. Okay, I think this lock will work properly. Okay, please watch, be carefully. Okay, I hope you will like this mechanism. If you need any change for this mechanism, I will change. Don't worry about this. If you think it has any issue, you will knock me. Thank you for watching.